Hi guys, welcome to Gold Price Daily Analysis. Today is Wednesday, 3rd of April 2019. This video is brought to you by the coach. Remember always our job is to make you rich. If you are a new subscriber, welcome aboard and thank you for joining us. If not yet, please hit the subscribe button. We are going to start our core analysis as usual after a quick recap. We have been waiting for important economic data to be released from the United States. We got these data released today, and we are going to start with the core durable goods orders for February came below forecasts, and the durable goods orders for February as well, and events X-Air month-to-month came as well below forecasts. Though of this disappointing released data, we haven't seen that much of a strength in the gold. Gold moved before the data was released, moved up to 1,289, then just climbed another $2 or $3 after the data was released. However, let's move on to the strategy recap. We have issued a trading signal yesterday to sell short the gold at the market rate around 1,291 with that first target of 1,281 and the second target of 1,270 with a stop loss of 1,302. This signal is still valid and opened. We are going now to start with the economic calendar. On the economic calendar for Wednesday, from United Kingdom, we are waiting for the services PMI for March with high importance, can be considered as a market mover. Moving on to the European Union, we are waiting for the Italian and Spanish services PMI for March, and the French services PMI for March, and the German services PMI for March as well, with medium importance. Moving on to the European Union, we are waiting for the services PMI for March and the market composite PMI and the retail sales month to month for February with medium importance. Without strong data from the European Union, we cannot expect the US dollar to go down. However, let's move on to the United States. We are waiting for the following important economic. There is the non-farm employment for March. It's very important. And the market composite PMI March and the services PMI March. ISM non-manufacturing PMI for March and ISM non-manufacturing employment. That's all for the economic calendar. We'll move on to the technical indicators. On the last trading session on Tuesday, we have had a trading range from 1,285 to 1,292. Market is still open and the numbers are now rounded. We do expect the gold spot to close above 1,291. Market is still open. For the moving averages, for the 20 days it's 1,301, and for the 50 days it's 1,308, and for the 100 days it's 1,280. And for the 200 days it's 1,250. We are above the 100 days, 200 days daily symbol moving averages and below the 20 days, 50 days daily symbol moving averages. We'll move on now to the RSI readings. For the 1 hour, the RSI is 57 in the favor of the bulls, and the RSI is 42 in the favor of the bears, and for the 1 day, the RSI is 42 as well in the favor of the bears. Moving on to the supports and resistance, the supports are located at 1,286, 1,281, and followed by 1,275. The resistance are located at 1,293, 1,297, and 1,300. This is all for the technical indicators. We'll move on now to the strategy. For the trading strategy, the trend is bearish and the price action is negative. We are below the 20 days, 50 days daily simple moving averages, and the US dollar is still demanded. Based on this, and based on the technical indicators which we have revised a minute ago, we have with us some comments to say. First of all, we see that the gold is still more bearish than bullish, at least for the few upcoming sessions. Market is still favoring the risk assets, and this might be one of the reasons. And the US dollar is strong enough, in our opinion, to test the 98 level. Why we are saying that? We have seen how many chokes the US dollar index was able to handle last a few sessions, and still is keeping the bullish momentum. Our advice to you, it depends on your risk tolerance and risk appetite. Either you sell from here, or you wait until the data comes from the United States, so you will be able to make a much more informed decision. For us, we still see the gold bearish in the at least short term, until proven wrong. As long as the gold is trading until 1,003 and under 1,302, it's still bearish for us. Thank you guys for watching. Please share, like, and subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow in another video.